Machine tools are the mother of all manufacturing, including the aerospace and high-tech industries. Like a giant wheel turning the world. Taiwan's flexible production capability makes us a key partner of the world's industrial powers. We take pride in our sustainable industries. The COVID-19 pandemic caused a global shortage of surgical masks. At this critical moment, machine tool manufacturers in Taiwan quickly took responsibility to set up production lines for surgical masks to alleviate the national crisis. Before the pandemic, Taiwan imported 80% of its face masks. Now producing up to 19 million pieces per day, Taiwan is the world's second largest producer of face masks, putting it under the global spotlight. Over 2,500 people work the production lines. The national team demonstrates the unity, mobility, and efficiency of Taiwan's machine tool industry. A manufacturing hub sits deep in the heart of Taichung. The 60 production lines were quickly set up in 25 days to assist the government. The national team assembles over 30 companies. We support the nation with honor and pride. We take this opportunity to expand further into the markets of the US, EU, and ASEAN nations, and develop more talents, as well as our capacities in smart manufacturing. Advanced technology with laser-focused dedication for perfection. Machine tools made in Taiwan, featuring Taiwan Excellence. Moving towards smart manufacturing. As an organizer of Taiwan Excellence, we are proud to promote the machine tool industry and Taiwan face mask team. And we are happy to share this Mission Impossible story with the world. In normal times, we take care of the industries. When needs arise, the industries combine their forces to support the government. Let me extend my appreciation once again to the machine tool manufacturers for their great support.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon and good morning. I'm Shirley from Taiwan. Welcome to today's press conference, and I am very honored to be your MC today. Taiwan is Taiwan's foremost trade promotion organization, and today we are jointly organizing this press conference with Taiwan's Bureau of Foreign Trade. We will focus on Taiwan's smart machinery industries, which are of great importance to our bilateral trade. First, I would like to invite the President and CEO of Taiwan, Mr. Walter Ye, to give us some opening remarks. Let's welcome Mr. Walter Ye.
Hi. Distinguished guests from industries and medias from Germany, UK, Poland, Russia, Turkey, Hungary, Japan, India, Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, the Philippines, and Vietnam. Good afternoon and good morning. On behalf of Taiwan, I would like to welcome you to the Taiwan Excellence Smart Machinery online press conference and the virtual pavilion. The automation and application of Machine Tool 4.0 is a growing trend in the machinery industry. According to markets, the smart manufacturing market is expected to increase from 214 billion US dollars in 2020 to 384 billion US dollars in 2025. As one of the top 5 machine tool exporting countries in the world, Taiwan's smart machinery industry has integrated precision machine tool technology and Taiwan's long-established ICT strengths. Taiwan's smart machinery products are also globally recognized for their high-quality, refined technology and consistent performance. Through this press conference, we will demonstrate how Taiwan companies that have won the Taiwan Excellence Awards can help their clients to meet manufacturing demands in the coming post-pandemic era. Today, 8 leading Taiwanese companies, including HIWIN, FFG, Foreman, Mem Ford, Ching, Fong, Grintimate, Tong Tai, and Hong, will share Taiwan's latest smart machinery technologies, including machine tools and automation equipment, precision components, and electronics processing equipment. Taiwan Excellence strives to continually to showcase the best Taiwanese technologies in the world, even during this challenging time. We therefore launched the Taiwan Excellence Smart Machinery Virtual Pavilion to allow buyers and the world around the world access their products from anywhere at any time. 60 innovative products from 50 brands, including leading machine tools companies, can be found in the virtual pavilion. Products in the virtual pavilion will be kept updated to ensure the buyers can always get the state-of-the-art technologies from Taiwan. In addition, the Taiwan Excellence events, Taitra will also hold international exhibitions to keep promoting Taiwan's smart machinery in the post-pandemic eras. We will hold TIMTOS in next month, and next March, and you will see even more advanced machine tools at TIMTOS, and we are looking forward to your attendance. Before I finish, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to you for joining us today. Please enjoy the conference, and I would like to invite you again to visit our virtual pavilion. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Ye. Please return to your seat. Now I would like to invite the Deputy Director General of BOFT, Mr. Guangzhi Li, to make some remarks. Please welcome Mr. Li.
President of CEO of Taitra, Mr. Walter Ye, and also the representatives, especially the 8 award-winning companies representatives from Taiwan Excellence programs, and all the representatives from Taiwan Smart Machinery Enterprises, business leaders, friends from media and the industry all over the world, all online participants. A very good day. Today, I'm very delighted to represent the Bureau of Foreign Trade in welcoming you to Taiwan Excellence Smart Machinery online press conference. And we understand the Taiwan Excellence is the program sponsored by Bureau of Foreign Trade, and we carry out this program together and partner with Taitra and our friend in trade promotion of Taiwan. And also the Taiwan Excellence Program is a very important, valuable platform that promotes Taiwanese products of the highest quality and also give you all the imaginations of the products. And today, this year is a very challenging year. As the COVID-19 pandemic gradually stabilizes, we see industries over the world starting to resume their business activities. And also on recognizing the impact an epidemic can have on the economy, various businesses have begun to adopt smart machinery and the Industry 4.0 solutions so that they may buffer the impact from similar crises in the future. I'm very confident and proud to say that Taiwan is the home to powerful precision machinery technology and a complete ICT supply chain. And this enables us to deliver overall smart machinery solutions well suited to assist business carry out industrial upgrades. And I also would like to take several minutes to introduce Taiwan's machine tool industry during COVID-19. And our work containing COVID-19 locally has made Taiwan a model of epidemic controls for other countries. Our results all credit to the government's rapid and professional pandemic control measures and the full assistance from our smart machinery industry. So I would like to pay a highest appreciation to all the industry friends. And also Taiwan's national mask team, led by Ministry of Economic Affairs, also successfully stabilized the supply of face masks very early from the end of January this year. And this team, consisting of 29 of Taiwan's machine tool mass production lines in just 40 days, which successfully and also remarkably boosted our daily production from 1.8 million pieces to more than 19 million pieces per day. This quickly attracted media attention both at home and abroad. More importantly, more than 2/3 of the team, they are the Taiwan Excellence Award-winning companies. Therefore, we made a short video to share with the rest of the world our pride in Taiwan's machine tool industry successfully achieving this mission impossible in such a short time, as you just seen before. And also, after achieving this mission impossible highlights the fact that Taiwan's smart machinery industry is not only capable of advanced technology, but also has the flexibility to quickly respond to the challenges. We enter the remaining stages of the epidemic today, and we strongly believe that Taiwan's smart machinery can play a very important and a crucial role in helping any country in the world restore their manufacturing and economic activities. Today, we're very honored to invite 8 of our most iconic smart machinery companies here to share with us their solutions, their good experiences to improving production efficiency and capacities. We will also launch later the Taiwan Excellence Smart Machinery online exhibition to present the Taiwan Excellence products to buyers across social distancing barriers. In May and also this month in June, BOFD partnered with Taitra have already and also we organize a total of 4 online product launches for machinery industries, including for machine tools, packaging machinery, woodworking machineries, and so on. Additionally, we are holding various buyer-seller matching activities, such as industry forums and the sourcing activity, sourcing conferences, to showcase, to highlight to overseas buyers Taiwan's best machine tools, Taiwan's best industry strengths, and also to serve the overseas buyers Taiwan's best quality and the best products. By doing so, we aim to help buyers become aware of and take on board the technology of Taiwan's smart machinery and also smart industries. Finally, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to all the online participants today. And I invite all of you to listen carefully to the following presentations done by these 8 award-winning companies. Taiwan Excellence, Everyday Excellence is not just a slogan of these programs. We think the excellence is also the attitude and also the spirit that we combat the epidemic, that we drive all the industry of Taiwan to develop, to grow. So I wish today's event every success and all the best of all the participants, and wish you good health and prosperous business in the near future. And all we united together to combat the COVID-19, and we embrace another new page of our economic activity. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Shirley. Thank you for your kind words, and please have a seat. And now I would like to spend a few minutes taking you on a tour of the new Taiwan Excellence Smart Machinery Virtual Pavilion. There are 50 Taiwan Excellence brands with 60 award-winning products on display. The pavilion is divided into 5 areas according to product types. First, let's take a look at the automation manufacturing with Solomon. Click on the icon above the products and we can view its introduction. If you want to know more about the company, just click the Contact Supplier button. And here you can also watch the product video by clicking the icon. Let's move on to the electronics manufacturing equipment area. And machine tools area. And other industrial equipment area. And now we will focus on mechanical parts. Here you can see HIWIN. You can click the icon to read the introduction or click on 360 to view a picture of the product in 3D. Here you can rotate, zoom in, or zoom out for more details. If you have any questions, you can move to our information counter in the pavilion. Click on the icon on the counter to leave your inquiry to contact us directly. Next, we're moving on to the presentations. During this section, please feel free to submit your questions using the QA link on the screen. We will collect all the questions and invite the speakers to answer them during the Q&A session after all the presentations are completed. Today, we're pleased to have with us Mr. Simon Liao, the sales manager for HIWIN. Let's welcome Mr. Liao.
Good afternoon, everyone, all the media and guests from all around the world. I'm Simon, sales manager of HIWIN Technologies. Today, I'll be making a brief presentation on HIWIN Technologies products. The outline for today's presentation is as shown. HIWIN's history dates back 80 years to when HIWIN Germany was formed. So HIWIN has its original roots in Germany. In the HIWIN Technologies group, we have HIWIN manufacturers, we have 4 group companies. HIWIN Technologies, manufacturing the mechanical components. HIWIN Microsystem, manufacturing the electronic components. Metrix, a more than 100-year-old grinding machine manufacturers from Coventry in the UK, which was acquired by HIWIN in 2010. And Etherbrite, which produces the CIGS solar panels. HIWIN Technologies was established in 1989 and now has 4,700 employees. We have subsidiaries in the USA, Germany, Japan, Czech Republic, Switzerland, Italy, Singapore, Korea, and China. And HIWIN's main products are ball screws, linear guideways, bearings, the Dahak reducers, industrial and medical robots, as well as the torque motor rotary tables. Let's look at HIWIN Microsystem. It was established in 1997 to provide the electronic component solution for HIWIN Technologies products and offer a total solution to our customers. There are 600 employees with subsidiaries in Russia. The main products for HIWIN Microsystem consist of the servo motors and drives, torque motors, and linear motors. All of HIWIN's factories are located in Taiwan. We have a total of 7 factories in Taiwan, so all the key components for our products are made in Taiwan. HIWIN also has a global network, having 11 subsidiaries and distribution channels in more than 50 countries worldwide. So here is the product map of HIWIN. We started off by manufacturing the linear motion products and then gradually began to provide more complex solutions and subsystem products. Since HIWIN manufactures all our own key components for precision products and machinery, we have been able to incorporate these components to provide integrated module products for industries and machines, such as industrial and medical robots and rotary table, among others. Here you can see the full range of HIWIN Technologies products, which includes the ball screws, linear guides, single-axis robots, bearings, the cross-roller bearings, Dahak gear reducers, torque motors, rotary tables, multi-axis robots, and effectors, and the medical robots. And here is displayed the HIWIN Microsystems product range, which includes the servo motors and drives, linear motor stages, torque motors, helix stages, Abley motors, position measurement systems, and the linear actuators. Some of our best achievements includes HIWIN being currently the global #2 in ball screws and linear guideways manufacture. We are also one of the only 2 manufacturers in Asia for torque motors and the only company that combines motion control components with electrical equipments to provide complete solution to our customers. HIWIN is also the world's largest semiconductor coordinate robot supplier, and the 3 semiconductor equipment manufacturers in the world are the key customers of HIWIN. So our outstanding performance has been recognized by the global media as well, as we are ranked number 16 in the Nikkei Business Asia 300 Power Performers in July 2019. HIWIN was also ranked in Forbes Asia's 200 Best Under a Billion Company list in August 2019. HIWIN has a constant focus on smart manufacturing, and we have collaborated with universities in Taiwan and abroad to develop the next generation I 4.0 ball screws. With a specially developed sensor and the edge computing module, this 4.0 ball screws is capable of pre-diagnosing the vibration, lubrication, temperature, and the preload of a ball screws in precision machinery. It is also capable of sending feedback to the operators via computers or smartphones to prevent an unexpected machine shutdown, thereby improving the productivity and the reliability levels of the machines. So next, we'll be introducing some of the total solution products of HIWIN, which are the core strength and the value added to our customers. KK Total Solution, which consists of the KK single-axis robot, the couplings, servo motors, drives, and drives. Customers receive this total solution for their automation. They just need to plug and play instead of looking for different suppliers for different parts and having the hassle of making and installing by themselves. And this page shows the SSA platform of HIWIN Microsystem, which is also a total solution stage, but using a linear motors instead of a ball screws. And this linear motor, like SSA platform, it offers high speed and higher accuracy. As you can see here, some of the applications for this HIWIN KK Total Solution. So, sorry, this. Okay. So this is the application for LED inspection using HIWIN KK Total Solution. And now this is a torque motor rotary table, which is one of HIWIN's main products. Being one of the only 2 manufacturers of torque motors in Asia, we have the advantage of having in-house key components, technologies, and know-how. Therefore, we possess the competence to offer top quality, value-added products to high-end customers. HIWIN designs and manufactures all the components such as torque motors, cross-roller bearings, rotary table bearings, and drives for our torque motor rotary tables. This is an example of the precision 5-axis machine using HIWIN torque motors and to produce the turbine blades for the automotive parts. The torque motor rotary table can also be used for this 5-axis machining to upgrade the machine and create a value-added function to the customers. So this enables the production of more complicated and precise component by a single machine. Here you can see the video of this 5-axis rotary table. Okay, moving on to robots. HIWIN has a wide range of robots, ranging from articulate robots to scour robots for the industrial applications, and delta robots, mainly used in the food and pharma industries, to wafer robots, which are used in the semiconductor industries. Similar to torque motor rotary table, all the major components of robots are manufactured solely by HIWIN. So this is an example of HIWIN's articulated robot for machining line pick and place. And this is the Delta robot, which is installed for automatic labeling and pick and place in the food industries. And here is the scour robot for packaging and in-process inspection. And this shows the HIWIN wafer robots for wafer handling processes. And this latest total solution product from HIWIN is the DRA, Dartorker Rotary Actuator. This Dartorker is a great precision and compact gear reducer with a high reduction ratio used in robots, high precision machinery, and indexing applications. Along with a servo motor and a D2D drive, we can offer customers an integrated product, which again the customers just need to plug and play. It offers an effective solution to our customers, performing precisely while ensuring the output of top quality products. Here you can see the applications of our DRA in process inspection platforms and the automated equipment. And displayed here is HIWIN's KK Total Solution with HIWIN's Microsystems linear motor installed in semiconductors process inspection equipment. The application of HIWIN's KK Total Solution with Microsystems air bearing stage for semiconductor exposure machine. And here is a short video of this exposure machine. Okay, so this concludes my presentation for today, and I would like to thank everyone who is attending this online press conference. And thank you for your time. So if anyone has any questions, you can please feel free to ask. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Liao, for your excellent presentation. Now we are going to invite Mr. Andy Hong, the Sales Director of FFG, to speak. Kindly welcome Mr. Hong.
Hello, everyone, especially our guests online. My name is Andy Hong, and I'm the Sales Director of FFG Feeder. Today, we are very glad to share with you our development and the solution for smart manufacturing. First of all, I would like to make a briefly introduction of FFG. Excuse me. Especially focus on our machine tool divisions. Later, we would like to go through some detail of smart manufacturing solutions in FFG. FFG was founded by Mr. Jimmy Chu since 1979. There are 3 business divisions in FFG. That is including machine tools, industrial equipment, and green energies. The business of FFG is starting from the agent of Japanese Copeco construction machine. Then we acquired 3 machine tools from 1989 to 1988 and start to build a feeder first machining center since 1989. With the strategy of the continued global merge and acquisition in the last decade, FFG now have the 3 business divisions, and we manufacture various products and facilities. We have 95 companies all over the world, and located in 10 countries. The headquarters is in Taiwan, 67 companies in Asia, and 24 companies in Europe, and 4 in USA. The complete global production and the sales network that us offer customers real-time technology and service support. We have totally 37 brands, and the filler is the first of the brand located in 10 major countries with 50 manufacturing centers all over the world. The global strategy is we keep growing in high precision machining in Europe, like Germany, Swiss, Italian, and we lead in these high technologies to Asia and produce this machine through the OEM and ODM to reduce the cost, but still keep the excellent performance. So that makes FFG become very unique in the world, and we are the machine tool to cover most wide of a customer base. With the progressive growth, now FFG is the top 3 CNC manufacturers tools in the world. We provide all kinds of technology and solution to drive the human civilization to keep moving forward. With the market share in FFG, number 1 is automotive, and we provide all kinds of turnkey solution for our customers. Number 2 in aerospace, and number 3 in energy, and number 5 in railway industry. Especially in the automotive industry, FFG support high-end machine for high-precision automotive parts like modern die, power steering, and for the steering systems component like engine block and the crankshaft. Also for aerospace industry, FFG high-end double column 5-axis machining can provide major component solution for aircraft like landing gears, combustion engine case, and wing rib. Small component like a medical industry, such as a spine, pong, T-mode, and the hip joint. FFG also have a professional solution to fit the special demands for small and precise and unique components. Next one is for the railway industry, especially for the machine for the train wheel and for the axles. And for the energy industry, FFG cover very wide range of the power and for the turbine and for the oil and gas. And the next one industry is for the IT, and we can very successfully to offer the tablet and the cell phone machining. For the component of the shipbuilding industry, like a crankshaft, diesel engine, that is also our field of experts. So all this comprehensive range, FFG can handle all the pieces from small to big, such as like a fingernail, and even larger one to 300 mega parts. And our machine type of the vertical machining center, horizontal machining center, a vertical lathe and the transfer, and also grinding technology to cover all of the technology. And also we are developing the high-end 3D printing machine and for the ultrasonic. So that help us, we can handle for the material of very tough and also innovative technologies. With the U series, which is our 5-axis series, and we provide the different size of the tables from the U250 that is designed for the small component like medical industry, and the U800 and UB600. This is perfect to fit the automotive industry. And the U800 and U1000, this is for large one, especially for the aerospace. Especially we are very proud to get the Taiwan Excellence Gold Award in 2018. And this recognize and give us great help on promoting. We would like to give the special thanks for Titros. For the horizontal machining centers, we also provide different size of a cover, majority of the heavy duty material, and provide high precision machining simultaneous. The flexible manufacturing system, FMS, this is different kind of the pallet and the storage system. It also have the good weapon to carry out the high automotive productions. And this is a special rotary transfer technology. We can also apply the multiple station and a different machining process in one machines. that can provide the super high precision and the short cycle time for mass productions. The built-in tools live monitor systems also get the real-time cutting loading information and provide for the bed parts producing before tool wears. The extreme stable machining quality even substantially to save the cost of the manpower and also in QC process. And next page, we would like to share with you, we focus on the future trend of the smart manufacturing. We are also the leading company of Industry 4.0, and we provide total solution of 5G smart manufacturing. We will go through this to the strengthen. And why we need Industry 4.0? The value drive is clearly, we think leads to several costs. Surely the providing increase of the most attractive parts. However, the reduction of innovation, machine downtime, and maintenance costs also less. This page, we would like to show also, FFG is the founder of the Industry 4.0, especially made in Germany, and who is specialized for the automotive brand like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Volkswagen. And this is our mission, to try to offer the smart manufacture to our missions. And the FFG core competence, this we have acquired so many machine tools brand, and the value and the acquisition is the significance. In technology, we gain all the advanced technology and transfer internally to our different divisions, and to make our energy become maximum and reduce our cost. And also we make the lead time much more shorter. And to become a successful for the Industry 4.0, the partner is very important, like hardware, software, control, for example, like Siemens, KUKA, and Bosch, and SAP. This is all our strategic partners to make our Industry 4.0 become success. And this one is the 4 level of Industry 4.0. We do that from small, the single smart manufacturers up to smart manufacturing line, and the 3 level is the smart manufacturing management, and the upper side is the data server and the digital twins. And from our standalone machines, we can install all the sensors like cutting vibration technology and thermal compensation technology, and also anti-collisions, make the machine become much more smarter, even prevent for the bad parts be produced. And next one is phony monitors. We created parts like spindle turret magazines, and also more install for we become a smart manufacturer, which collect all the data to show all the dashboard to see the status of the entire production line. And the upper right is a corner for FFG iFast. So this is more friendly interface to let operator and the management easy to monitor the condition of the production. And to build in a friendly framework to help the managers and operators do the real-time information catch. Even different kinds of machines and controller, we can catch all the data and transfer it into our dashboards. And that were easy to understand the machine condition and the total production instantly. And this one, you can see the videos. In 2019, we show our automated production line and main system totally can do that 24 hours, 7 days a week, and for the engine block. It's including horizontal machine centers, AGV, and the robot. And this one, we also make the 3D simulation. And that can customers, even before that, to see the exactly of the demo lines. So this one is we would like to show you. What we say Industry 4.0 is a big constructors. Especially we need to integrate many of the additional accessory. And for the transmitting without lag, 5G is also the key to the successful platforms. So no one can do that alone, and we need to do that integrate with our machine. And we already have the 5G factories in Taiwan, including for the AGV, robot, clean AOI, and the robot online. So we sincerely invite you to go into the Industry 4.0, and the revolution is coming. We are very glad to say FFG can offer customized solution for different kinds of the industry. Let us be your win for the next future. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Hong, for your impressive presentation. And now we're pleased to have Mr. Henry Chen, the product manager for Solomon. Please welcome Mr. Chen.
Hello. Hello, everyone. So I'm Henry Chen. I'm from Solomon Group. Here I'll give you the introduce about our Vision business unit. So Solomon Group start from 1973, almost 50 years history already. And this is our revenue. We are listed company. We offering the service around the world, including the Taiwan, US, Southeast Asia, or China. And we have a regional distributor give you the full support. So I mentioned we have a different business unit, but today I'm going to only focus on the Vision, which is the most developing business unit we are doing now. So Vision business unit cover some of the key accounts already. Start from the logistics like DB Schenker, CJ Logistics, or some automotive maker like Mergon, Check6, or Toyota. Those are our key accounts, and they are continuously use our technology, AI, in their factory site. So what we can provide to you today, as I mentioned, we are AI 3D vision company. We have 4 products. Start from AccuPick, which is doing the random beam picking, and second, SoulMotion, doing the AI robot guiding in 3D. Third is SoulVision, is using our AI software to do the inspection job. And also we have a 3D scanner to provide you the accurate 3D model. So we are the Vision Award winner, start from 2019, which is the biggest Vision Award in the world. And of course, we are Taiwan Excellence continuously winner. So here, this page, I'm going to tell you what we can do for you. AI software from Solomon is like a platform. We can communicate with different scanners, like structure light technology from Solomon scanner or Intel RealSense. We are able to customize, depends on your budget, your accuracy requirement, to give you the professional consulting about which scanner you would like to use. And also, we are able to communicate with the robot, including the cobot or industrial grade. We can integrate more than 20 robot brands for now. And we are not only to send the coordinates, but also to communicate and control those robots in your factory. So a lot of people ask me what your AI can do for me. Actually, our AI is like the human being brains, and we are able to learn the parts not only from the shape or from the contour, but we can see the color, the pattern. Through our AI deep learning model, you can learn the parts you would like to do, like human being eyes. We don't need CAD file. What we can do is we offer our software interface without any programming. You don't have to do any coding. It's very easy of use. And also, we can read the parts combining with the 3D point cloud. We give you the accurate point cloud and the coordinate. For example, here, this video. You might have some parts like this in your factory. You want to do pick and place or robot guiding. So compared to traditional technology, you have to use manual labeling by hands, right? But here, we offer you the software to simulate all the possibility in their process, and we can auto-label those parts and learn those parts in the 3D environment. So you can see, after a few minutes, we can learn those parts by AI. We are able to see the top view or the bottom view and pick them in the 3D environment. As I mentioned, we are able to control your robot. So not only sending the coordinates, but with our interface, we can control all the robots with only one single control panel, which is Solomon control panel. We call this service as master control. Here, I demo to you is our interface. You create a certain project. For example, you want to do a robotic pick and place. You select your camera and robot. For example, you are here. And after the initial stage, you have our flowchart. With flowchart, you have so many different functional blocks: capturing, recognition, or robot control. And here you can see through TCP/IP communication, you can get all the value from the robot X6. So we got your value. We can use them to control your robot, as I show here. Not only that, we can control also the function, I/O control, gripper, sensor, or conveyor, all the surrounding equipment we can do for you. So together with one single interface, you are able to complete this robotic pick and place mission. This is our pick and place, pick and drop setting. So after all the detailed setting, you connect all the sequence, make it like a loop, and it's finished. Okay, so because of the time, so here I want to show you some of reference we have. I start from the AccuPick, which is the robotic pick and place. First project I would like to share with you is the video film by the National Geography. We're doing this automation for one of our logistics partner, CTW Logistics. So you can see if you don't have the vision, the robot can only do the repeated job, right? It's like blind, totally blind. So if the parts in your crate shift or change the position, you are not able to pick them successfully. So here, Solomon provide the vision to be able to see the parts in the crate. And every time, depends on the situation in the real time, we give you the coordinates of those containers. So this is one of our service to do the loading, unloading. And second, I take the Mergon example here. They are the leading car manufacturer in US. Here, we challenge one of the bin picking solution for them. We are able to pick something really tiny and shiny. For example, here, you can see the parts. All right. So you can see the parts. They are around 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter, and the surface is shining. Sometimes they are overlapping. So with the traditional 2D vision, it's almost impossible and make them almost fail in the projects. That's why they come to us, and using our 3D technology, we are able to deep learn in those parts in the top view or the bottom view. So the service is good, and the product line continuously running, and we got the repeat order from this project as well. Second, I would like to introduce you Soul Motion technology, which is similar to the AccuPick, but more focused on the robot guiding. For example, you can do the gluing, welding, sealing, all the robot mission. So the reference here is also in Taiwan, famous car manufacturing site. So the customer problem is they don't have the proper rake to handle those cars without any shaking or without any position change. So here you can see on the right hand side on the top, you will see a metal box. Our scanner is equipped inside, and every time we are able to scan the parts, one part of the car body. Here we focus on the gasoline door. So after scanning, we are able to get the position and all the offset data, and after we analyze, we compensate those coordinates in 3D, and we send back to the robot. So even the customer has the offset more than 5 centimeter, we still be able to provide them the compensate data and able to do the gluing or the sealing they want to do. So in the future, you don't have to be trouble about your manufacturing, which kind of customized fixture I have to use. We try to give you the generic or so-called universal solution. One single scanner, and you can do all the robot guiding without any problem. The final product is the Soul Vision, which is using our AI software to do the inspection job. So what we focus is usually some kind of defects is difficult to be defined. For example, the color in the range or the size have different situation. By using the traditional way, it's almost difficult to give you the golden sample. So in this situation, you have to use our AI to deep learning those different kinds of defects, and we create the model for you. So with this AI model, you can doing this on your production line, and we can see like human eyes, what kind of defects is most flexible defects you want to pick away? Okay, so together we have a robotic solution, including the 3D pick and place, and also we have the robot guiding, and finally here we have the Soul Vision to do the AI inspection. So it's really my honor to be here, and we're still looking for more regional partners to provide our solution and brings the AI innovation to every customer site. So thank you, I'm Henry, and thank you again.
Thank you, Mr. Chen, for your comprehensive presentation. Again, if you have any questions for all the representatives, please use the link on the screen and we will answer them at the end. Next, we are going to invite Ms. Jessie Lin, the sales representative from Mem Ford. Let's welcome Ms. Lin.
Hello, everyone. Today, I would like to introduce to you our company. With over 30 years of experience in developing and producing top quality machinery, our company is Mem Ford. Now, I would like to show you a short video about Mem Ford.
After more than 3 decades in the machining industry, people have got used to us. Through periods of high growth and development, we were right there at the front. And through times of uncertainty and doubt, we stared adversity in the face, unshakable. We have developed a thick skin, an amazing ability to move forward with determination. Every step in our journey has left a mark, on us and in the market. Over many years, we have developed great partnerships, invested in development, reinvented ourselves a few times, all in the interest of being here for the next generation of machine users, all in the interest of being here for you. Nowhere in the world will you find a team more determined to be around for 100 years. And we know we will, through the quality of our products, through the strength of our partners, through the unbeatable value that we offer. Manford. Power and determination.
Okay, after this short video, I'm proud to tell you about the founder of Mem Ford Machinery, Mr. James Shade. His goal is to provide a one-stop service for his customers. So since the company started in 1987, the Mem Ford Group has expanded the scope of its business by building up 5 individual brands: Mem Ford, Win Ford, Avimax, Automax Smart Auto, and Mem Ford Garden, with each one focusing on different products designed for use in specific fields. So for the purpose of one-stop service, Mem Ford Group has more than 33,000 square meters of production space and around 200 employees to ensure the consistent supply of products with a very competitive lead times. Let me introduce more about our brands. Our high-end CNC machining center, like 5-axis machine or double-color machine, manufactured by Mem Ford, and Win Ford, focusing on CNC lathe. And Avimax take charge of conventional milling machine. And Automac mainly integrates the systems to make automation planning for whole production line. And thanks to Mem Ford Garden, our machine come with leading edge outfit. Now I will give you a brief overview of our products. This is conventional milling machine produced by Avimax, application for automobile components or mold. While this is its surface grinding machine. And this is Win Ford's CNC lathe. Please be noted that we provide both vertical and horizontal CNC lathe. And Mem Ford's vertical machining center, which has VL and the VH series, is displayed here. X-axis travel from 510 to 2,200 millimeters. And for the growing market of 5-axis machine, Manford has launched VU, VG, and VX series of 5-axis machines to respond to the increasing demand. Here, I would like to take a little bit more time to introduce VU620 for you. VU620 has designed and developed by Manford for the growing market of 5-axis machines. What makes it special? Well, for a start, it uses 90% less oil and 80% less electricity than the normal lubrication system and pump motor. In addition, it is capable of 5-phased machining that can be completed in one clamping with high precision and short process time. Second, it reduces special fixture dependency and realized automation. And third is 5-axis machining extends to a life and provides improves service quality. And fourth, it reduces equipment investing costs, workshop footprint, and even the number of workshops necessary to produce your products. So based on all of the above characteristics, Manford VU620 won the 2020 Taiwan Excellence Award as an honor. Other machine type like horizontal machining center and the double column machining center and the tapping center are all part of Manford's product range. And thanks to the complete product line, our machine can be used in a variety of industries, such as aerospace, automotive, 5-axis application, and high-tech electronic, among others. It is feasible for us to customize the machines based on the specific requirements. And we can make this is because we have built our expertise in the machine tool field over time and will keep moving forward based on our core technologies. There are strong mechatronic engineering support, professional R&D team, and application research, and professional manufacturing and inspection equipment. So innovation in Manford never stops. For the coming Industry 4.0, to provide only various high-quality machinery cannot satisfy our customers anymore. So we start offering valuable service, such as turnkey solution, customized automation, and so on. Now we are also developing intelligent systems to realize smart manufacturing. I would like to show you another video of our automation system. This is material loading place. And then this is switch in place. And this is our FMV 400 machining center. And this is high frequency induction hot plate. Okay, after the introduction, I believe you know quite well about Manford. I still want to emphasize our strengths. First, we have a variety of machinery coming from one-step production line and purchase. Second, systematic integration management. And third, digitized examination and engineering analyze. Fourth, customer service value, past sales service. We can offer a very quick response. So with the confidence and the mutual cooperation, we sell our products worldwide, and customers are mainly located in Europe and North America. But we have a growing base in Russia and in India. Moreover, we are very open to the opportunities of cooperation in other global markets. Finally, I want to thank you for taking time to listen to my presentation.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Lin, for your super presentation. Now we're happy to introduce Ms. Annie Lee. She's a sales representative for Ching Fong. Please welcome Ms. Lee.
Hi everyone, I'm Annie Lee from Ching Fong Machine. It's my great pleasure to be here and to share our pervasive application of intelligent forming system, especially for those stampers who are looking for a solution to get their production digitalized. So, okay, let's wait for the PowerPoint to come back. Okay, thank you. So this is my outline for today. I will start with sharing why we started to get digitalized, and then I will introduce a framework of eye-forming system, how it works, and why is it useful confronting COVID-19. So in the past 72 years, we've been delivering high-end technology to our customers. But as the technology for dry provision is getting mature, we started to wonder what our next step is. And it is at this intersection that we started to map out a real solution with eye-forming system. So this is a story from one of our customers. They are an international company who has 122,000 employees. Before COVID-19, they had great demand in cross-plant communication and travels. But after COVID-19, they were asked to strictly adhere to the policy of remote management. But how to achieve remote management? First, you need to have the connection to your equipment, and then you need to be capable of automating your production, your efficiency management, and your supervision over manpower. So here we see the needs for smart manufacturing. So let's visualize a much smarter style of manufacturing, and let's begin with a circle on the top. What is this? This is smart machine. And why is it smart? Because it's equipped with sensors and gauges that enables it to collect information. And after we collect information, let's move down to the circle in green, which stands for 3M. 3M is a network consists of man, machine, and management, and it will process the information that was collected from the smart machine. So here we can see that the smart machine and the 3M network already forms a production cycle. But still, we cannot forget about the circle on the right, which stands for intelligent surface. Now, whenever your smart machine is down or whenever your network is broken, intelligent surface is always here to provide you a timely support. So here we can see that the 2A in blue, the 3M in green, and the 4S in red together forms an ecosystem that brings us to 5C, which is the path to digitalization. So now, how much Ching Fong has done so far for smart manufacturing? The idea of eye-forming could be easy to understand, but how do we make it happen? Let's now look at this slide, which is now divided into 3 parts, and let's begin with the upper left one. Here we can see that the application of IPCAM actually enables us to inspect your factory on-site without even being on-site. Plus, the ERP and MES system could be updated accordingly to show the machine process and the machine progress. Then let's move down to the square in blue. This shows that as we've already installed sensors and gauges onto the machine, this enables us this enables us to have a real-time control over your production. And in the long term, this serves like a health check for your equipment where you get a sense of early signs of your machine issues, and then you can arrange the maintenance outside of production peak. But this system is not just about data. Decision makers, they need to learn the information from within, and they also need to improve their production schedule. And now this is made even easier as all the information collected for the I-forming system basically is now dedicated directly to the statistical analysis. So here we can see that everybody has their own ERP system, but it's just about flow control. How do we know the work has been completed? No one knows. So here we can see that I-forming system, the smart system provided by Ching actually creates a platform where you get to find the mutual feedback from the on-site workers and the managers. So you get to find the work process and the work progress all together on a board system. So now the platform is all set for you, but what if you're not in your office? Just take out your smartphone. WhatsApp will answer all of your questions about your factories. So now, how I-forming could be applied in stamping field. This is one of our sales examples with I-forming system. Aurora, they have been manufacturing office furniture for more than 50 years, and they also possess several sets of our mechanical presses, which were operated under automated mode. But to stay competitive, they still need to optimize their system. So here we can see that the idea of adopting I-forming system basically is combining the conventional automation with the edge computing system, and together we display all the information collected onto a board system. And this actually facilitates the review of resource allocation for our customers. So the rest for them is all about making their own decision. So this slide shows that Ching is also delivering our maintenance service through a digitalized way. On the left part of this slide, we can see that each of our presses are provided with its own individual QR code. And this connects the machine users to the information, including specification and maintenance record. And on the right part, we can see that Ching has already released a dedicated app, which is meant to enhance the user's experience. And this actually helps us to provide a more timely and effective after-sales support for our customer. So with so much I've covered today, I believe this is an exciting moment for those people who are from the small and medium-sized enterprises. Why choose Ching? Because it's easy to use. From below framework, we can see that I-forming basically provides all the IT supports from the software to hardware. All you need to do is connect to this system. Plus, the investment is small. As we're the machine supplier, our focus is not on providing a system. What we want to do is to make the solution attractive and then return the sales back to our equipment. So we've already made this system affordable for those SMEs. As a result, smart manufacturing is not abstract anymore. As we can see, this is an investment for future. And all we need to do is bring it home and get connected. Smart manufacturing is no longer a dream for you. So if the picture that I've just painted for you still doesn't seem realistic, let's now look at this product content, which outlines the service availability. From below table, let's start with the gray part. This shows the economic solution, which is suitable for everybody. But if this is still not enough, let's move to the blue part. This shows that Ching is listening. If you have more demand on this system, just let us know. We can further customize and develop this system for you. Plus, we've already got our presses prepared. This map shows all the locations on this presses where it's ready to get connected to the I-forming system. So now, why is I-forming useful confronting COVID-19? Because this system is intelligent enough to bring your production management online, and that enables you to have remote control with smart manufacturing. And this is the prototype of intelligent plant in future. as we can see that this is not only useful in front of COVID-19, but it's also useful for future need of smart manufacturing. And we believe that with I-forming system, production management should be less trivial and more meaningful. So this is the I-forming system I've been introducing to everybody today. This is actually our showroom, and we've been developing with this system for several years. And similarly, we believe that it can create additional value for our customer, and we can do this for our customer. So how about let's just start with this solution provided by Ching Fong. We've been providing stamping solution for the past 72 years, and we've been sold our presses to more than 50 countries worldwide. We will continue to grow to answer the need of the present and the future for the benefit of all of our customers. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you. And now we're going to invite Mr. Terry Hong, a sales representative for Grintimate. Let's welcome Mr. Hong.
So, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Terry representing Grintimate, and today we'll first briefly introduce our company. Our talk will be divided into three main parts: an overview of Grintimate, details about our product lines, and a video. Grintimate was established in 2015, and we are basically located in Taichung City. We specialize in offering high-precision hydrostatic grinding machines. Our core technology is hydrostatic components, and all of our products are equipped with a hydrostatic spindle system. We have three main products: our hydrostatic cylindrical grinding machine, plunge type, which means our CTC series, and the CTS 100. We also have hydrostatic cylindrical grinding machine, angular type, which belongs to our CIC series. Finally, the hydrostatic rotary surface grinding machine, which belongs to the GIC series. So today, we'll concentrate on introduce our 2020 Taiwan Excellence award-winning products, the CTS 100. As you can see the processing scope on the slide, the wheel width can be loaded to 300 millimeters. So it's capable of, we are the only company in Asia that can provide these specs. We'll talk about more detail in the coming page. The CTS 100 is equipped with a hydrostatic spindle and hydrostatic guideway. And we use double-sided synchronous servo motors designed on the headstock and the tailstock. So because of the hydrostatic spindle system and the hydrostatic guideway, the machine features frictionless, no stick slip, low friction, high damping, high loading, and even more you can see on the slide. This serves to enhance the durability and service life of the machine. All in all, combining this hydrostatic spindle and hydrostatic guideway means high levels of accuracy and efficiency. Next, I will show you more features of our machine. The X and Z axis is standard with THK high precision ball screw to ensure zero backlash fading. It's also standard with header linear scale to ensure high processing accuracy and stability. On our controllers, we use Hanukkah or Mitsubishi controller with an HMI system, which features fast communication and convenient control for user-friendly operation. The CTS 100 is perfectly suited to mass production. The grinding wheel can be widened to 300 millimeters, so it's capable of one feeding grinding and one-time processing to achieve the required dimension. So time and cost will be saved, and the CTS 100 will definitely enhance the value of your products. As we mentioned before, we use a double-sided synchronous servo motor design on our tailstock and hairstock. It helps you to do one-time processing. You don't have to take out or change the part and reverse it and put that in the machine again. This makes for a huge saving in processing time. CTS 100 is also available with this type diamond tracer, which ensures the stable dimensions on multiple steps and best processing quality. It's also available with foaming tracer, which enhance the high accuracy and high efficiency. Our valued customer come from a variety of industries, such as automotive, mechanical, aerospace, medical, and many more. This proves the effectiveness and the versatility of the CTS100. So therefore, if you are looking for a big breakthrough and transformation of your manufacturing processes, and you're looking for a high processing grinding machine at a reasonable price, please contact us and follow us. Before we finish, we would like to show you a video about our Taiwan Excellence award-winning products, the CTS100. CTS100 is a cylindrical grinding machine branch pipe. On our machine we have hydrostatic spindle, hydrostatic guideway module, head tester, and tester with both filled with double-sided synchronous servo motors. The equipped with LED strip to clearly reveal the condition of the machine. Our spindle is capable of 0.5 micron rotation accuracy, also with high damping and high rigidity. Our wheel can be 300 millimeters is capable of one-time feeding. On our loading pad of our guideway, the deformation of the guideway is within 1 micron. You can push the guideway with one finger very easily without any stick-slip phenomenon. Workbed is equipped with this type tracer demonstrator to ensure the motor stable dimensions. You can see the profile after tracing. Upper left is a single step processing. It takes more time than our processing time because our parts can be ground at the same time. Also, the accuracy will be more better because of the double-side servo motor design on our tester and the tester. With a 15-step dressing program, you can set your part diameter or depth on the program. Here is our dressing program attached. In our forming grinding setting, you can set your parameters. So again, if you are looking for a high precision grinding machine at a reasonable price, and thank you for your attention. We hope you enjoy our presentation, and if you have any question you want to ask us, please go ahead.
Thank you, Mr. Hong, for your powerful presentation. A kind reminder, if you have any further questions, please don't forget to use the link on the screen. And now we're going to invite Mr. Jolie Wu, an assistant manager for Tong Tai, to speak. Please welcome Mr. Wu.
Hello, my dear friend from the press, machine tool industry, and Taitra. This is Jolie Fong. At first, I would like to extend our thanks to Taitra for holding such a great online conference and demonstrating the power of Taiwan's smart manufacturing solutions. As you know, the Industry 4.0 has been the global trend for now and future, while cyber physical systems, Servo CPS, and intelligent manufacturing are the foundation to it. Now let's find out how Tong Tai can help with manufacturing industry to enter to Industry 4.0 and build up Taiwan's first intelligent manufacturing line. First, we will briefly introduce TT Group and Tong Tai, and then we will go to intelligent manufacturing. TT Group has been including 6 companies with different machine range and spectrum. 4 companies, including Tong Tai from Taiwan, while two sister companies from Europe. So together we provide complete machine solution to our customers worldwide. To serve our customers, Tong Tai commend ourselves to be the total solution provider. For years, we have been developing new technology for metal and laser cutting, ultrasonic and 3D printing, applied to our machine products, and bring to our customers. Make sure they are happy with our solution so we can work together with customers. Tong Tai have over 50 years experience, starting from special purpose machine to now with a complete machining line, including different machining center and CNC lathes. Our main product cover from wide range of machine tool to PCB laser drilling machines. All machines are designed and well made in Tong Tai. To serve our customers worldwide, Tong Tai has 3 factories and more than 20 overseas branches, including technology center, and more than 60 overseas agents work with our customers around the clock. So what is the intelligent manufacturing and what Tong Tai can do for it? Intelligent manufacturing is an important element for Industry 4.0, and Tong Tai applies cyber physical systems, so for CPS, to help factory transfer into intelligent manufacturing. From bottom up of the pyramid, Tong Tai can integrate different sensors and I/O into our CNC machines for cell control, and transfer all data to SCADA with our software called TLN. And then the data goes to MES, Manufacturing Execute System. With our solutions of intelligent manufacturing, customers can have better OEE rate and more production output in return. Here are the 4 solutions Tong Tai present for intelligent manufacturing. First is the base of CNC machines. Tong Tai has more than 100 different machines available for intelligent manufacturing, from CNC lathes to machining center and multitasking, from metal cutting to ultrasonic for hard and brittle material and 3D printing. So customers can always find good machines from Tong Tai to serve their production easily. Second is Tong Tai automation. Tong Tai have many successful experience for automation, including some integrations such as washing, QC station, and even QR code marking, all depending on the individual need from customers. Tong Tai applies cyber physical systems, so for CPS, to help factory transfer into intelligent manufacturing. First, we create simulation program from single machine, including the machining time like a rapid travel for each SS, ATC tool change time, APC pallet change time, etc. Based on the single machine simulation, we can build up bigger simulation for both production line and production schedule. And we can focus the production time to see where the bottleneck process is and try to optimize from beginning. After production, we can still monitor the production line from CPS in a daily basis and try to optimize to perfection. So with CPS, we can easily minimize the production risk and maximize the production output for customers. This is why the CPS is the key technology for intelligent manufacturing. Third is Tong Tai machine tool intelligence. Tong Tai had been developed our own operation system called Tong Tai Intelligent Management System, short for TIMS, to receive and coordinate all the data from machine and display all data on TIMS for production management. Also, Tong Tai had been creating many software functions for machine monitoring, such as temperature control, cutting vibration control, so we can have better machine accuracy. From the pyramid, our software team's Tong Tai Intelligent Management System is at the second level of cell control, which handle all machine data and display by a visual graphic way, so everyone can understand easily. teams has 5 functions as shown in the present. Besides, we have developed one application function called cutting vibration avoidance. With this function, we can get better machining accuracy and tool life by optimizing the frequency of cutting vibration. 4 is the machine monitoring developed by Tong Tai. To integrate many machines into production line, we have been developed Tong Tai line management show for TLN, so our customers can have information such as machine status and production utilization in real time. Also can download CNC program to machine automatically from office. No need to do it manually in the plant. In general, our TLN is designed to maximize production and realize the intelligent manufacturing more easily. In this pyramid, our teams place the rule for SCADA at the third level. In general, TLN collects all production data, monitor and control all machines in production line. Customers can be updated all the time through different devices like a PC or cell phone. TLN has 5 functions as shown in the present. Plus, we can develop customized functions depending on individual needs. Here we are going to share with you one of our successful stories for intelligent manufacturing with our customers in Taiwan. We have developed and implemented a production line with flexible manufacturing system for our customers in Taiwan. This line has been designed for 6 parts in mass production, so customers can have more flexibility and efficiency from this new line. Also, we have integrated 6 hardware features in this line as shown in the present. For the software features, all machines are connected to Tong Tai Line Management or TLN. So all production data could be received by customers' ERP system in real time for better production management. We have defined this new line will be our total solution for intelligent manufacturing in the future. So next page, you can see a short video to see how the new solutions works. This video shows Tong Tai have been working together with our customers to develop the first flexible manufacturing system in Taiwan for their key component. In this line, it integrates 4 intelligent manufacturing solutions from Tong Tai, as we just mentioned, including multi-access machine, automation, and software for our teams and TLN system. There are 4 great benefits for our customers. First, OEE improved by 20%. Second is manpower reduced to 70%. Third is the short lead time from 3 days to 8 hours. 4 is the availability for small and flexible production. Our customers is very happy with this new line. So here is my presentation today. Thank you for your listening. If you are interested in Tong Tai, then you are welcome to follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube, and subscribe our channels. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Wu, for your presentation. And now we're going to invite Mr. Nick Zhang, a sales representative from Hartford. Let's welcome Mr. Zhang.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nick, and beside me is our Assistant General Manager, Mr. Daniel, and my colleague, Mr. Hill. We will represent HIWIN Industrial to thank you for joining the online conference. Today, I'm here to talk about intelligent machine manufacture and what benefits and solutions you will receive if you choose Hartford machine. Today, we'll be covering those topics. HIWIN is established in 1965, and we have 3 subsidiaries, and we are certified by AS 9100 and ISO 9001. Where is Hartford located? Our export market share reached 17.2% among 140 makers of machining center in Taiwan. What does this mean? It means 5 of machines are shipping out from Taiwan. 1 of them is made by Hartford. And our average export amount reached 1,500 sets per annum. What makes Hartford unique? Our principle: we produce machining center only, 100% made in Taiwan. Even it is just a small piece of screw, we still insist it is made in Taiwan. 100% professional managers. We hire professional and experienced manager to lead our company. 100% marketing by Hartford brand, which we do not accept any OEMs. We only manufacture high-level and intelligent machines. And this is our 95% in-house production. We cast our own machine parts, using heat treatment to increase the rigidity, grinding, boring, and all features, all the way through the final shipment. 100% self-made key components, which Hartford made our own angular heads, and also 24,000 RPM built-in spindles. Market-leading machines. We have vertical machining center in both box and linear guideways. High accuracy A-series premium, which machining accuracy is equally as good as Japanese brand. A 5-axis vertical machining center, and those are the countries we have sold. 5-axis double column machining center. The gantry type machining center. High speed, high accuracy machining center. 5-sided machining center with multi-head selection. Horizontal machining center. And precision boring machining center. Hartford has over 100 of R&D staff working on develop and improve our machines. And some of our R&Ds are now dedicated into our software, with a focus on integrating the next generation software in use of our future range of machines. And this is the solution, the Hartford Premium, which is our self-developed controller with our own interface. And we are the first company in Taiwan who have delivered a self-controller, and just the 6th in the world. Why you should have Hartford Premium controller? It is because a machine with IoT, a machine with AI functions, a machine that is machining will not be influenced by temperature change, a machine that is 0 downtime. Market-leading features. We have around 60 apps can be downloaded to enhance your machining performance, and our R&D are still creating innovative apps that can reach to the next level of intelligent generation. And their apps can be used before machining, during machining, and after machining. Here is an example of app you can use after machining, the 0 downtime. This app can check the spare part status and let you know which spare parts need to be substituted to minimize the machine downtime during machining. RoboCell. The benefit is to reduce the manpower by 67% and increase productivity by 18%. And those numbers come from our customers in different industries. iFactory means our machines can be connected together using the managed service called Superbox. It will allow us to do vital real-time management like monitoring, planning, analyze, and make prediction. Reaching 4.0 industries. Combining all technologies and intelligent generations means we are moving forward to reach Industry 4.0. That's why there are so many well-known clients have decided to choose Hartford. Our world-class products lead to the world-class clients in different industries like aerospace, automotive, railway, semiconductor and general electric and equipment, engineering, mechanical, and energy. Please take a look of our company video to know more about Hartford. And our company is located in Taiwan, which we have Factory 1 and Factory 3. Manufacturing the BMC and double column machining center. And this is our controller and our R&D groups, which are improving the machine and the structure and the design. And this is the Hartford Plus 1 and 2, and we have generic to Hartford Premium. And there are around 60 apps you can download it to enhance your performance. And our machine is designed under the MQT requirements. And this is our 5-sided machining center and boring machining center, 5-axis machining center, and high-speed, high-accuracy center, machining center. And we made our key components, angular heads. And this is our 17 meters moving column machining center and rigorous scraping. And we are moving forward for Industry 4.0. We are supplying in many industries, automotive, and our global network spans over 65 countries. And this is our service department team. Thank you.
Presentation. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to invite the Director of Strategic Marketing Department of Taiwan, Mr. Mark Wu, and all the representatives for the award-winning companies to join the Q&A session. For those who are joining us online, I believe you have already submitted your questions using the link on the screen. If you can't find it, you can also use the link we provide in the Taiwan Excellence YouTube channel profile. Due to the time constraint, for this press conference, our staff has selected a few of the most relevant questions. I will first read out the questions and then invite the appropriate speaker to answer it. Now the first question is, what kind of products and solutions are Taiwan Smart Machinery companies offering to help enhance manufacturing during the pandemic and its aftermath? Director Wu, could you please share with us your opinion?
Okay. COVID-19 lockdown highlights importance of automation adaptability. Machines take up human jobs as automation accelerates during lockdown. Industries are looking to speed up the smart solution and automation process. Also, small volume, large variety production and customization will be the trend of global manufacturing, which will let flex production becomes crucial. As the 7th largest machinery producer and the 5th largest exporter in the world, Taiwan's smart machinery industry has a global reputation because of its precision technology and massive ICT integration, which let Taiwan has capability to provide smart manufacturing with competitive price. Through the pandemic, Taiwan machinery industry demonstrates its capability to rapid response and ability of collaboration, establishing 92 mass production lines in 40 days, and boosted mass production from 1.88 million pieces a day to 19 million a day. It shows that Taiwan-made machinery is the best choice for manufacturers around the world to build a flex production line to fit the trend of small volume, large variety production. Lastly, I would like to welcome you to visit our Taiwan Excellence Smart Machinery Virtual Pavilion, which showcases 60 magnificent smart machinery products from 50 Taiwan brands. You can find the state-of-the-art manufacturing solutions anytime, anywhere. Thank you.
And the next question is for Hartford. There are so many double columns machining manufacturers in Taiwan. What are the benefits for choosing Hartford machine?
Hello everyone, thank you. This is Hartford, and we have around 40 years of building double column machines experience, and we are the first company in Taiwan who have built up the double column machine. And we've sold around 12,000 machines now to nowadays. And by using our Hartford Premium, which is our self-developed controller with the AI functions, and we can use some technology to for benefit our customers with smart producing, we can automatically detect the workpiece weight or reduce the friction when doing the machining. So to reaching the next intelligent generations, so we are trying our best and keep innovating the useful apps and to help our customers to reaching doing their smart machining method. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Zhang. And the third question is a question for HIWIN. With which measures do you currently plan to promote the sale of machine tools in the important German market? Mr. Simon Liao, could you please answer this question for us?
Yeah, okay. Thank you for this question, Mr. Dag. Okay, so basically what I think is machine tools, 5-axis machining will be the future trend in the machine tools. Being one of the two machine torque motor manufacturers in Asia, HIWIN, in terms of machine tools, we can provide this torque motor rotary table, which will be an integral part of the machine tools market in globally in the future. So not only now, even now, most of the well-known, renowned brands, machine tool brands of Germany, Japan. We are already supplying our torque motor rotary tables. So these torque motor rotary tables, of course, is not only used for manufacturing of this auto parts, which is also important for manufacturing in the aerospace, components for the aerospace, and also in the medical. So I believe as in HIWIN, not only we are able to supply the ball screws and LM guideways in the machine tools, but in future we can provide a complete total solution as a complete package with the torque motor rotary tables to the machine tool market. Thank you.
And the next question is to FFG. What's the difference between FFG and other solution providers in smart manufacturing field? Mr. Andy Hong, could you please answer this question for us?
Okay, thank you very much for the question. I think this is very curious, and especially for FFG. So why we have the strength and for the smart manufacturing field for all our customers. Actually, for Industry 4.0, it's never be an easy job, and especially it must integrate with the hardware, software. So including the machine, so sensors, even for the robot, RGB, inspection, and storage systems, even for the ERP, for the software. So the key point is we call it for the SI, is the system integrators, how to make all this hardware, software could be work together harmony, and let our operator and the management can catch all the real-time information. So this is key. So based on our experience for all kind of industry like automotive, aerospace, and for the medicals, and this one make us have a more experience and our strong relationship with our customers. We can see depend on how of the scale and what kind of customers requirement and expectation. We do that in a special project from our team, and we talk with our customers to realize exactly what their expectation and what can make it become more benefit. We cannot offer just like a standard pocket and let all the customer to use that and have a smart manufacturing. That is impossible. So to have the very strong background of the knowledge and the partners to understand all kinds of industry and have a strong relationship with our customers to discuss and customize all the system. This is the key, and we think this is why we make FFG become different. And especially, we would like to become your partners in the next revolution of the smart manufacturing. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Hong. Next question is to Solomon. What are the fresh initiatives from Taiwan machine tool industries for India in view of the post-COVID-19 development and the needs for more automation? Mr.
Okay.
Henry Chen, could you please answer this question for us?
Right. Thanks for the questions. I think the good start, not just from India, but all over the world. I think AI 3D vision is a good initial stage to rethink after COVID-19. Because if you look back, standardized is always the key to design the mechanical. However, if you look now, the low volume, large variability has been already a trend. No matter in our laptop or smartphone, the mechanical design is going to be harder and harder to catch up the speed of manufacturing demand. So that's why we need a smart software to support it. And with the Solomon AI vision, our target is to give the intelligent eyes to your robot, to your machine, has ability to think what they are going to do the job. For example, pick and place or robot guiding. So again, with the power of the software, we believe we can give more flexibility and smart manufacturing after COVID-19. So that's what we want to think about, and thank you.
And the next question is for Manford. I would like to know more about your company. How did I get a catalog from Manford? Ms. Jessie Lin, could you please answer this question for us?
Okay, thank you for the question. And actually, we are very welcome you to visit our website. So from the website, you can know a lot of about Mem Ford. And also you can download the catalog and contact us through our website. So our website is www.memford.com.tw. Thank you.
Miss Lin. And the next question is to Ching Fong. A question: can we use mobile phone to supervise the production status? Ms. Annie Lee, could you please answer this question for us? Thank you.
Okay, so thank you for this question. For iFormat system, basically you will have a host computer in your computer room. So as long as you're able to connect to this host computer, then you're able to connect this to this system. But if you're out of your office, then you probably will need your IT technician support to open the firewall for you to retrieve the data inside. So this is my answer to this question. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Lee. And the next question is to Grintimate. What are the advantages of Grintimate products compared with those other competitors? Mr. Terry Hone, could you please answer this question for us? Thank you.
So thank you for the question. As we mentioned on the slide, our core technology is hydrostatic technology. We have a very experienced team of hydrostatic technology. We develop, design, and produce our hydrostatic bearing system by ourselves, so the quality can be assured. And we position us as a very high-end quality brand. We pursue the quality of Japanese and European products, but with a competitive price. So comparing to other grinding machine suppliers, we much focus on like high precision grinding, high performance grinding. Thank you.
Mr. Home. Last but not least, a question for Dante. In the field of smart machine manufacturing solution, what do you think of Dante's competitiveness in Taiwan and globally? We would like to invite Mr. Jolie Wu to answer this question. Thank you.
So first, Taiwan has been well known in the IT industry. The latest IT technology provides a strong foundation for Tong Tai to build up the machine tool for next generation. To catch up Industry 4.0, Tong Tai has provided many solutions of intelligent manufacturing for our customers worldwide, including the latest technology of IoT, CPS, FMS, MES. Our solution achieved the goal of virtual representations, digital twin, and cyber physical system. Being a machine tool provider, we focus on integrating the manufacturing data and input to our customers' ERP and supply chain system. Through the integration of production data, we believe our solution could be very useful for our customers. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Wu. Now this press conference has come to an end. Thank you so much for your participation. We hope this event has helped provide you with a better understanding for the new innovations in Taiwan. Please remember to fill in the questionnaire and share with us your valuable opinions by scanning the QR code on the screen. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Thank you.